Pakistan became the third largest rice exporter in the entire world, overtaking Vietnam and clinching its position. As far as the total tonnage of rice being exported or was exported is concerned, 4,89,000 tons of rice was exported to other destinations of the world, mainly Tanzania, Kenya, Central Asian countries, European Union, UK, China, and to an extent United States. Out of this total tonnage of December 2025 that was exported out of Pakistan, more than 50% of surge was observed solely of the basmati rice due to their high demands in the other destinations of the world. There were two main other reasons for which Pakistan became the largest rice exporter in December 2025. Number one was that the US imposing huge tariffs on India indirectly benefited the Pakistan's rice export and its demand in the other destinations of the world. And number two was that due to disturbed stock exchanges and the shortages within the stock exchanges of Iran, the local importers were forced to use their own words, thus favoring Pakistan due to this very proximity as well. This analyst Hamid Malik has observed that the seamless and relentless efforts of farmers on their lands have bore the fruits, and the management and services provided by the current government of Pakistan as far as the agricultural harvests and especially rice is concerned has been really commendable. But he still said that two main countries are being still are to remain negligible as far as the rice export is concerned, because Iraq and Turkey, these two countries play a significant role in the rice export of Pakistan and ultimately its demand. But as far as the Iraq is concerned, which from where a huge demand of Indian basmati is recorded every year due to their foreign exchange shortages. Pakistan has been unable to export its rice as much of the amount as it used to do in Iraq. And as far as Turkey is concerned, it serves as a transit hub from Iraq till the Eastern Europe, and thus that remains negligible too. This was the analysis by rice analyst Mr. Hamid Malik, who said that on one hand, this new development is commendable and appreciable that the rice export of Pakistan has surged up to the third mark in the entire world. But on the other hand, there are still initiatives or steps needs to be taken to improve the current stature of Pakistan more and more.